Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone model and Android version because repairs can depend on firmware. Open Settings and enable Location, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. These assist satellite fixes. Switch location to high accuracy. This uses GPS plus networks. Once done, toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to reset radios, then turn it off. Make sure to remove magnetic cases or mounts that can block signals. If you have recent system updates pending, install them after backing up. They can contain GPS fixes. Next, you tackle system-level causes. Go to Apps and clear cache and storage for Google Play services, Maps, and any navigation app. This refreshes apps and permissions. Boot into safe mode to check whether third-party apps are breaking GPS. If location improves, uninstall recent apps one by one. Reset network settings to rebuild cellular and Wi-Fi positioning data. And ensure date and time are set to automatic because wrong timestamps can prevent satellite handshake. These steps rebuild the software state that supports GPS. For advanced fixes, you can reflash the stock firmware or install an official vendor GPS patch. This restores corrupt radio firmware. Follow the manufacturer guide precisely. Run a hardware diagnostic app. If it reports antenna or GNSS module failure, plan a module replacement or professional repair because soldering is delicate. Once repaired, recalibrate compass and run a GPS test outdoors. If issues remain, collect logs and exact failure steps, then contact OEM support. This speeds up escalation and warranty service.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.